Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about remainder theorem. For remainder theorem, if a polynomial p of x is divided by x minus 6, then our remainder is equal to p of c. Now, let's have an example in finding our remainder when the polynomial x raised to 3 plus 4x squared plus 3x minus 2 is divided by a binomial x minus 3. So let's find our remainder when we divide these two polynomials. In applying our remainder theorem, our first step is for us to equate our binomial to 0. So we have x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then let's solve for the value of x. So let's transfer negative 3 to the other side of the equation, changing the sign, giving us x is equal to 3. And this value of x will replace all values of x for our polynomial in order for us to get our remainder. So let's replace all values of x by 3. So we will have p of 3 is equal to 3 raised to 3 plus 4 times 3 raised to 2 plus 3 times 3 minus 2. Then let's simplify using the order of operation, starting with simplifying our exponents. So 3 raised to 3 is 27. So 27 plus 4. 3 raised to 2 is 9. So 4 times 9 plus 3 times 3 minus 2. We simplified our exponent. Let's multiply from left to right. So we have 27 plus 4 times 9 is 36 plus 3 times 3 is 9 minus 2. Let's add and subtract from left to right. So we have 27 plus 36 minus 9 minus 2, and that will give us 70. So p of 3 is equal to 70, and 70 here will be our remainder. So to answer the question, what is the remainder? When we divide this polynomial by this binomial, our remainder will be 70. And that's our final answer. Alright, ta-da! And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.